is another beautiful day in Koh Samui. The sun is out. It wasn't out a couple of hours ago then. We had a pretty heavy rain. Well, it wasn't really a rainstorm, but it rained pretty heavy. Right now we are at Hin Ta Hin Yai. I think say that. Hin Ta Hin Yai in Koh Samui. I'll let you read it and see for yourself. It's also known as Grandfather and Grandmother Rock. They're naughty rock formations that are the shape of appendages, basically. So if you're in Samui, definitely come check this place out. If you're not really into seeing the naughty rocks, just the whole rock formations around here, it's a pretty awesome sight. Hin Ta Hin Yai, Grandfather and Grandmother Rock, Koh Samui. Really hot on your feet up here as well when you take your shoes off. You can see I'm slowly losing my voice. Haven't been well the last couple of days, and now I've got a nasty cough. Can't catch a break this trip. Still having a good time though. Storm clouds are rolling in, so I better not stay here too long. Otherwise I'll be in real strife. Whoa, look at the size of that eagle up there. It's probably way too tiny for you guys to see it. Damn, look at the size of the wingspan on that. That is massive. That's really big. Ring the bell for good luck. The rest of my body feels a lot better today, but I'm afraid my throat is not good.